Alright guys, so I am here at the storage unit here, and we have rocks. Oh, they took out, right here is the lot that I'm renting for the space, and got the truck coming there. I took 3, 4, 5, this right here, you guys, this whole lot, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 stall. So you guys, I decided to just go ahead and do it and get this. This is a lot, big lot. $25 per month. So I end up just taking all 5 stalls. That's about what, $125 a month. So it's not bad. Not bad. So from here, from the grass line to there is my lot that I can use. About 25 ton, you guys, that's on the truck. So we're gonna have clean wash rock. We're gonna have 3/4 inch crushed clean, and also gonna have gravel. So look at that, guys. Spin that around. Dropped off. Now we're gonna go back to work, you guys. I'm hoping one of these stalls open up here, the bigger ones on that side, and once it opens up, I'm gonna rent a stall here too as well, you guys. So yeah. get all these rocks in, guys, we're gonna go in and tuck in the fabric, clean it all up. So we're going adding rock and fabric and edging as we go, because then if we put all the edging in, we can't drive in, you know, and dump it. So, and we don't want to tear up the grass too much. So you have to work and think about those things, you know. Here's what I'm talking about when we work our way in. As you guys can see, we just put edging in like every 6 feet. Then we bring in we fabric and bring in rock. See our track, our standard spacing between the edger and the house is 4 feet. It's just perfect for the plants. Gives it room to grow, and our edger our MT can just come in here. David's we'll do the landscape fabric. So what I'll do is I'll come in, drop the rock, David will spread that out, then I'll do the edging another 6 feet, David spread it out, work our way out this way, so that way we minimize the damage of the grass. So that's why we do that. It's nice to have the MT. It's just perfect width. Today got quite a bit done. I'm hoping to get this done tomorrow. So I got the ends cut on the edgers, and then here we're gonna cap all this. We're gonna level that out, grade that, and we gotta finish this wall, continue here and circle around here, circle wall here, too high. And so we stopped right here because the wall is going to come like that, and we got all this in here. Simple, but like everything else, you guys, it's clean. So got quite a bit done today. So eventually they're going to put a patio back here, like maybe fire pit, I'm not sure. That's why we're not touching that yet. We might be coming back sometime. I don't know, maybe next year, and we're gonna do the whole works maybe for them. So there it is, guys. Nice and clean. So tomorrow we're gonna come and get this leveled out, and then fabric, and then rock, and finish this thing up. There's going to be a little ornamental tree on that corner there. So yeah, getting it done, boys, getting it done. Alright guys, after we did some landscaping, I went to buy 98 gallon, I think, or actually 100 gallons steel diesel fuel tank right there, guys. I got a new lock for it, one that's more secure. And the pump, you guys, the pump is over here. I've got a white one that's 50 gallons, but our skid loaders, you guys, I got like 3-4 of them, holds about 36 gallon, the bigger ones, the big skids, T595 and stuff. So we need a fuel tank. We've been working out of town and stuff, you know. I think this one's still on. Oh man, this opens. Jeez, this one still has fuel, diesel fuel in it. Gotta have to pump it out. Yeah. So you guys, as you guys can see, I'm gonna use this pump on the other one. You know, this is still good. So I'm gonna transfer the fuel. Thinking of I wanted to put the tank onto my 2019. I don't want to put it on my Denali. I drive that all the time. But the 2019 pulls the trailers and pulls the skids a lot. Thought about putting it in there, but I think I'm gonna have to put it in my 2012 for you guys. It's it doesn't, the width of it, it's 59 inches, you guys, the tank here, 59 inches from side to side. And so both of the trucks, the Denali and the 2019, has the tonneau covers here, and it shortens it like 56 inches, I believe, 57. So we're 3 inches short. And so I don't want to take the tonneau covers off, because we use that when we do go out of town, like GIE and stuff, you know. We like to have everything covered. And I know you can take the tank out, but I don't want to have to reinstall the tonneau covers all the time. And so, guys, I'm gonna back up, unhook this trailer, and I think I'm gonna go clean this back out, and then put that tank into here. As you guys seen in the video here, rented another yard for our materials, and our skids over there too as well. You guys, I'm starting to find out it's, you know, me and another guy, and maybe we'll hire a third guy, but at this moment I'm still going to be out in the field. And so I'm starting to notice I'm always running, getting materials all the time, and so it's more convenient to have another yard, which runs us, I don't know, well, that lot was $125, you guys, a month, so it's not bad. Hold all our aggregates and stuff. And like I said, I'm gonna get a unit as well to hold the skid loaders in there when it comes open. And it's about half mile or 30 minutes away, you guys, from our location right here, but we do a lot of work in that town, and that's the reason why I pulled the trigger on getting another site and holding our materials there. And plus, it's nice that when we're done with the project, and sometimes I have leftover materials like rocks or gravel and stuff, or dirt, topsoil and stuff, I gotta haul it all back here, you guys, and I don't want to do that. And so now we have extra material in that town, at the job site around that town. We can drop it off at our the other yard that's next to wherever we're landscaping out of town. And so yeah, that's the game plan. That's the game plan. A lot of things has changed, you guys. A lot of things I'm enjoying it. I'm having fun doing this year. 2020 started out rough, but I'm actually excited about this year. It's you guys stay tuned. A lot of things is happening, a lot of things is coming. I'm excited to share with you guys, and keep hustling.